we are doing number system first chapter, and topic is how we will draw rational number on the number line. In previous video I told you about that type of number where numerator is smaller than denominator. In this case numerator is greater than denominator. So little change for this type question. So how we will do this one? This is our number line. At middle here 0. Okay. So look, first one is 5 upon 3. So if you check in terms of fraction, so this one improper fraction, and you know that improper fraction is greater than 1. So it will be greater than 1. Okay. So how we will check up to where it will lie? So greater than 1, 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 2 here. So when you calculate 5 upon 3, it will come 1 whole, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Like that we will check this one where it will lie. So 5 by 3. Do division. 3 1 is 3 and remainder will be 2 and here 3. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3. So you are looking 1 whole 2 by 3. It means this number is greater than 1 but less than 2. So we will write here 5 by 3 greater than 1 and less than 2. So we have to draw up to 2. 1 and 2. This number lie in between 1 and 2. So we have to draw equally 1 and 2. How much gap from here to here? Same should be here to here. Here we will write 1 and here we will write 2. So you are looking, if you want to write, so you can write this one like that, 1 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so 1, 0 to 1 completed here. Now where this 2 by 3 lie? 2 by 3 will lie in between 1 and 2. So now same method we will use for this one. What we done in previous video. 2 by 3 we have to draw. 1 whole, this is 1 whole, and 2 by 3 lie between 2 and 1 and 2. So very simple. How much written in your denominator? That's 3. So in between 1 and 2 we have to draw 3 lines. So our line, we are starting from here, so it will be 0, then 1, then 2 and then 3. Gap should be equal. Equal gap we have to take. This gap should be equal. Okay. For we are drawing 2 by 3 in between 1 to 2. So for this one we will count this as 0 and we will draw 3 equal line here. 1, 2 and 3. Then by 3, by 3, by 3. Okay. So look, we need 1 whole, 2 by 3, 1 whole here, 2 by 3 here. So this point A represent 5 by 3. This one representing 5 by 3. This point A, this is not only 2 by 3. 1 whole here, 1 whole and here up to here 2 by 3. So this whole is 5 by 3. Same we will do on the negative side for minus 5 by 3. So check for minus 5 by 3. If you take out minus outside, so you can write 1 whole 2 by 3, same this one, and we can write this one also like that, 1 plus 2 by 3. But here minus side, so we will represent this one on the left side of the 0. This side we have to solve. Okay. So this number minus 5 by 3. You know that in negative number increase but its value decrease. So it will be smaller than minus 1. Okay. But greater than minus 2. Okay. So this number lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So how much gap you taken here? Equal you have to take here. Equal. Gap should be equal. Here also gap should be equal. Okay. And how much gap you taken here? Same you have to take here. Here we will draw 2. This is negative side, so this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So look where it will lie. Minus whole completed and minus 2 by 3. So minus whole here. Again we will do same method. In between minus and 1 and minus 2 we will draw 3 equal line. Minus 1, minus 2 and this is minus 3. This one we count as 0 for minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 completed here. Minus 1 we are looking here. We need minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 we will draw in between minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. By 3, by 3, 3. Hope you are getting well. So now look, 1 whole here, minus 2 by 3. This is minus 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. So point B represent minus 5 by 3. Get it? So like that you have to solve this question. Hope you are understanding that one. I am giving you one question for practice. So you have to try this question also. Represent 7 by 4 and minus 7 by 4 on the number line. Okay, hope you are getting this all. Same will try this question. Next day I will come with next topic. So stay safe and revise.